Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, I received a couple of messages, or someone said to me, Steph, what do you do with all your pens on, from your pen haul? Well, as I said in my pen haul video, some of them get, they get made, they're for spares, some of them are just parts, etc. Some are literally sort of thrown away because they're no good, but a lot of them are actually restored, just like this selection here. So a lot of people say to me, yeah, what do you do? So this is what I do. I restore them. And then some people also ask me, well, what pens do you have available? Well, this is just a small selection of what I've got available. And if there's anything that you're interested in, people ask me, how can I get in touch? All the information is down below, just in the description. But I just thought I'd show you just a very small selection of, well, pens, what I do with them, and the after. And these are all available. These are all looking for new homes. So let's take a quick look at them. Look at that. We've got a gorgeous Conway Stewart 58 in classic black, gorgeous Duro nib. Okay, so as I say, all these are looking for homes. To the right there, a lovely Swan leverless. This particular one is the L21260, again in lovely classic black. All these pens have been restored, new sacks, and they're all ready to go. And then, well, nice and simply, the middle there, they're all Parkers. In fact, they're all Parker Dufolds. We've got everything from a beautiful Parker Junior with is it the number 10 nib? I can't remember. And then if we go slightly higher up the range, look at that, we've got two beautiful Parker Dufold seniors, one in classic black and one in this lovely, well, a little bit more scarce, a little bit more sought after in this green colour. So two Parker Dufold senior fountain pens, beautiful condition. And then last but not least, look at these. We've got two gorgeous Parker Dufold, and these are actually BFs, or brass fillers. And what we've actually got, although you can't quite see it on the video, this one is in the dark burgundy and this one is in the very sought after dark blue colour. Again, both have been fully serviced. All these pens are in perfect working order, in excellent condition. Okay, let's show you the nib on just one of them. There we go. Everything lovely and clean, as you would expect. And as I said, these two being BFs, which means that they're what we term as a brass filler. Again, these brass fillers are a little bit more scarcer than the aluminium fillers. Okay, but all these pens in beautiful condition, all fully restored, and all looking for a new home. So if there's anything of interest, not just these, I've got lots more pens that I need to work on. A lot of viewers sort of email me and say, do you have an XYZ pen? Sometimes no, I haven't. Sometimes yes, I have. Okay, then I'll restore it for them. But these are ready to go, ready for a new home. So there we go, very brief, just to answer a couple of questions. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pens as much as I enjoyed showing them to you. As always, don't forget, leave a comment below. Have you subscribe now, and don't forget, wherever you are, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.